Everyone, welcome back to Admin Assist episode 7. I'm Josh with the customer success team here at CIPO Software. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a powerful tool, which is generating custom reports directly within CIPO. CIPO allows you to create these module-specific reports for deeper insights. Rather than repeatedly applying the same filters to your logs, you can use keywords to generate tailored reports that will directly fit your needs. So you can select any module for this. In this case, I'll select the request for information. Now, if you go to the three dots and scroll down, you'll see the reports. You may be prompted with this, but it's easily fixable. If you close that and go into the backend, you can scroll down to data list settings, and here you will see the reports. All you have to do is click on this, and you can search by any field that you would like to appear on your report, or you could just select them all, which I will do in this case. You can save changes, close it. Now, if you go back to the reports, you'll be able to add a report. You can name it whatever you want. In this case, I'll just be naming it Report 1. You can make it available for all the users or just yourself. You can also set filters. Here's where you add and remove the fields. So here, I want to just filter by status. And I'll also filter it by discipline, as well as initiator role. Now you can save the report, save data list and update, and then you're able to close it. And when you go back, you will be able to see report. Close report. Here you can see that it shows the full document number, subject, sheet number, all of the above. But if you go here and go back to your report that you just created, you can view the data and it will only show the specific data list that you have chosen. Once your custom reports are ready, CIPO makes sharing them easy. You can either download it as an Excel file, you can download it as a PDF, or you can print it. You can also email them for seamless collaboration. If you need to generate multiple reports, there's no problem. CIPO will handle it all, and we will give you the flexibility to create as many detailed reports as you need. As you can see, you can just add a report and create any other one that you want. With custom reporting built into CIPO, you can save time, stay organized, and ensure that everyone on your team has the data that they need to succeed. If you have any questions or want to explore more features, you can reach us at support@cipocloud.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications. Thank you.